fresh on the beat and it's giving them all of course. Baby fresh on the beat and it's killing them all of course. Come on, yeah. The way you make me crazy, I want to have a taste. You too.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to make this beautiful low ponytail on my natural hair. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video, and also share this video with your friends. So today's tutorial is going to be a low ponytail tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to slick my 4C hair and how I was able to add this ponytail on it as well. You can always use Mali hair or kinky hair if you don't like using coily hair, but for this video I decided to use the coily hair, and this hair is from Ali Pearl Hair Company, and I just used one bundle to achieve this style. This is a very affordable hairstyle. You can use it to attend a wedding, you can go to work with it, you can just go anywhere with this hairstyle. I absolutely love this hairstyle. So that's all it's gonna be for now. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, don't forget to like this video, and now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by spraying water on my hair because it's better to apply gel on a hair that is damp. That way it's gonna help the hair to lay properly. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my black castor oil. Then I'm just gonna detangle my hair properly. So for this video, I'll be doing a side pattern. So I'm gonna make the side part. If you want a middle part, you can go ahead and do a middle part, but I'll be doing a side part. Now I'm going to go ahead and start applying my Eco Styler gel to lay down my hair. And as you can see, as I lay down my hair, I comb it out. It's very important because when you apply the gel and comb out your hair, it's going to help the gel to penetrate down to the root of your hair, which is going to make it easier for your hair to slick down properly. So after that, I'm going to take my denim brush and brush my hair as well. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Then now I'm going to use my bristle brush to brush it down properly. I think this brush helps to create that wave you see on our natural hair. Then I'm applying a little bit more gel on my hair right now. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a bun. And I'm going to tie a scarf and allow it to dry. So you guys can see how it looks like. It's laid really flat. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my mousse. Then I'm going to tie my scarf now and let it dry. So right here, the hair I'll be using is from Ali Pearl Hair Company. I ended up using just one bundle to achieve this style.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
So guys, right here I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf. So it's pretty dry now. You can see what it looks like. It's really laid, like seriously laid. I absolutely love the result. So right here I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the coily weave to my bun. So after attaching it, I'm just going to use my fingers to spread the coils out just to make it look more natural. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.